This conference will now be recorded.
Welcome back to this private Discord meeting on the NFT space. This is my third take. I have been messing up all day. Zoom booted me out at least 3 times today. So we're going to be using GoToMeetings from now on since I am running on thin air here. We're going to jump right into this about what is an NFT. So a lot of people are interested in what an NFT is because they see a lot of people starting to utilize this space. So NFTs are tokens that we can use to represent ownership of a unique item. They let us tokenize things like art, collectibles, even real estate, and they can only have one official owner at a time, and they're secured by the Ethereum blockchain. No one can modify the record of ownership or copy and paste a new NFT into an existence. So let me make sure that I'm screen sharing. Stop screen sharing. I'm recording and I'm unmuted. All right, let's go back. NFT stands for non-fungible tokens. They can only have one official owner at a time, and they are secured by the Ethereum blockchain. No one can modify the record of ownership, meaning copy and paste a new NFT into an existence. So they cannot steal your creation. Okay, if that's what y'all was worried about, please don't worry about that. They cannot steal because you are the original owner, and the original owner is this is on public record, which is on the blockchain. NFT is an economic term that describe things like your furniture, a song file, or your computer. These things are not interchangeable for other items because they have unique properties. Fungible items, on the other hand, can be exchanged because their value defines them rather than their unique properties. For example, Ethereum or dollars are fungible because one ETH is one USD in exchange for another one ETH to one USD, right? So these are internet assets. NFTs and Ethereum solve some of the problems that exist in the internet today. As everything becomes more digital, there's a need to replicate the properties of the physical items like the sacredity, uniqueness, and proof of ownership. Keyword, proof of ownership. Not to mention that the digital items often only work in the context of their product. For example, you can't resell an iTunes MP3 you purchased. You can't exchange a company's loyalty points for another platform's credit, even if there's a market for it, right? So we're going to do a comparison on what an NFT is on the internet and what an internet is. NFTs are digitally unique. No two NFTs are the same. Every NFT must have an owner, and it is on public record, and it's easy for anyone to verify. So you can see clearly who owns an NFT. NFTs are compatible with anything built using Ethereum. An NFT ticket for an event can be traded on every Ethereum marketplace for an entirely different NFT. So you can trade a piece of art for a ticket. Content creators can sell their work anywhere and can access a global market. So this is international, this is global. Creators can retain ownership rights over their own work and claim and resell royalties directly. Items can be used in surprising ways, okay? Now the internet is a copy file, MP3, JPG, and it's the same of the original. Now we're talking about the internet. Now we're no longer talking about the NFT. Ownership records of digital items are stored on servers controlled by institutions. Listen to what they're telling you. These are stored on servers controlled by institutions. Somebody name me an institution. Bank of America. Somebody name me another institution. Wells Fargo. Somebody name me another institution. The Rothschild. Okay? So you must take their word for it. Companies with digital items must build their own infrastructure. For example, an app that issues digital tickets for events would have to build their own ticket exchange. Creators rely on infrastructure and distribution of the platforms they use, and these are often subject to terms of use and geographical restrictions. Platforms such as music streaming services retain majority of the profits from the sales. So when we're talking about artists coming over here and no longer being put on chains and no longer being put on any type of contracts, bad contracts, this is the way to go because an NFT is considered a what? A smart contract. I got it. I'll close it. I'll close it. You no longer have to sign to a label. You no longer have to sign for a distribution deal because it's all within an NFT, baby. Yes. So all my artists should be jumping up and down in they mother freaking socks right now. You feel me? The NFT world is relatively new. Okay, so I think the first art piece sold in 2017. So it's only 2021. So y'all do the math. How do NFTs works? Each token minted has a unique identifier. They're not directly interchangeable with other tokens. For example, one ETH is exactly the same as another ETH. This isn't the case with NFTs. Each token has an owner, and this information is verifiable. They live on Ethereum. It can be bought and sold on any Ethereum-based NFT market. Keywords: Ethereum-based NFT markets. That means you can only sell your NFTs wherever there is an Ethereum mainnet. Correct? Correct. All right. In other words, if you own an NFT, you can easily prove you own it. No one can manipulate it. You can sell it. You can, in some cases, earn the original creator resell royalties. Or you can hold it forever and rest comfortably knowing that you're the owner of this security by your wallet on Ethereum, right? So when we're talking about wallets, we're talking about either a hot wallet or a cold wallet. Majority of us have our hot wallets, which is connected to the internet, which then you own because you have the private keys, which is a 12 seed password in which you have to write down. You cannot screenshot. You cannot screenshot it, or you cannot give these private keys to anyone who asks for it, because guess what? Everything in that wallet, baby, including your NFTs, will be taken away from you. Okay? Uh, if you create an NFT, you can easily prove you're the creator. You can determine the sacredity, and you can earn royalties every time it's sold. And you can sell it on any NFT market peer to peer, meaning from person to person. You're not locked into any platforms, and you don't need anyone to intermediate, right? So let's talk about sacredity. The creator of NFT gets to decide what their asset is. Okay, so they can decide if they want to sell 5,000 copies. They can decide if they want to sell one copy. That's on the creator, right? In these cases, each NFT will still have a unique identifier, meaning the intended sacredity of the NFT matters, and it's up to the creator. The creator may intend to make each NFT completely unique to create sacredity, or have reasons to produce several thousand replicas. Like if you want to sell an album, and of course you want to sell over 100,000 copies, that's how many you're going to have available. Royalties. So we already know what royalties is. You get paid automatically with some NFTs will automatically pay out royalties to their creators when they're sold, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. Okay? So what are NFTs used for? Digital content, gaming items, domain names, physical items, investments, and collateral. And they should add intellectual property as well. Okay? Maximizing earning for creators. Now, this is where I'm going to show you what marketplaces you can sell your artwork on. This is called Maker's Place. So on Maker's Place, you see everyone selling their artwork, featured collections, top collectors, popular creations. Okay. What is Marketplace? Every digital creation available through Maker's Place is an authentic and truly unique digital creation, signed and issued by the creator, made possible by the blockchain technology. Even if the digital creation is copied, it won't be the authentic and original signed version, meaning even if you buy it from the original owner, that's not the original copy, because the original copy is always going to belong to the creator. And you can tie that back into the metaphysical world, baby. The creator created everything, so there's never going to be a copy. We are the copies of the creation, right? So think of it like that. So this is one place. Another place you can sell the NFT on is Foundation. Let me see if I got it pulled up here. Yep, I got to pull it up here. See, this is Foundation, where you can also create. You can also buy and sell your artwork as well. This one's sold for, this one's being auctioned off for 0.55 ETHs right now. So that's pretty cool. So let's go to Rarible, one that I do love, because I know on Rarible you can actually choose how many royalties you would like to collect on each resale. So let me show you how to create how to put your NFT onto a marketplace. Okay, and then after this, we're going to show you how to create it. So they said start from scratch. Yes, let's start from scratch. Okay. So create a single collectible. I'm going to upload my file. So I'm going to go to my file center, and whatever you want to put here, that's what you're going to put. His bro, Curry these changes trades. This ain't nothing new to me. Some parents don't play, so you know they do this comfortably. Oh shit, what? I just caught the Whitney Houston. Tell them holler at me if they want this digital exclusive. Okay. So that's what I'm gonna put there. Everyone knows that I'm an artist, so that's what I do. That's going to be the file that they're going to receive. Okay. Now you're just going to choose a file as the cover. This is what they're going to see as a preview. Okay. So we're going to upload a screenshot there, and this is my cover, kind of like an album cover, right? Since it's music, right? Now it says put on the marketplace. Enter a price to allow users instantly to purchase your NFT. Now, fixed prices if you want to sell it for an exact price. So say you want to sell it for 40 or 90 bucks. I forgot Ethereum went up. So 0.03 ETH is $94 now. Like a week ago, it was just like 40 bucks. So that's how great this space is as well. You can either do a timed auction like how we just seen on here, how he has a timed auction here, and somebody put a bid in here for his art piece. Okay. Or you can do open bids, meaning you can just let people bid as much as they want to bid on your NFT, and then you can sell it to the highest bidder, right? And now for the fun part. Let's keep scrolling down. Now you see unlock once purchased. This is where they're going to unlock your unlockable. So when you say incentives for your supporters, this is where they're going to be able to get extra on top of just the regular NFT. Now, this is how you convert your files to fit on Rarible, OpenSea, Market Maker's Place, or Foundation. You're going to upload, say, your musical file, or maybe you want to let them receive a book about you, right? So you done made a book about you, explaining why you started doing music, what's your inspiration, who's your favorite artist, and so on and so forth. This is where you're going to upload it to, right? So upload, right? And this is called Pinata cloud. Save this, rewind it. Okay. Now, how do you place this in your Rarible unlockable? You're going to go here under names, and you're going to pull up where your book is. You're going to go here into the server where people, all you got to do is copy, right, and paste. So you already know that link is going to work, because why? Sorry. Because I've already pulled it up when Pinata gave me and converted the file for me. Okay, so rewind that back if you need to see that again. So once you do your unlockable, then you can choose to create it as an ERC 721 or a Rarible. I choose Rarible. This is where you're going to put the title. Excuse me. This is where you're going to put the title of your NFT. This is where you're going to put the description, blah, blah, blah. When you purchase my NFT, you will receive a signed digital autobiography on my life. I know y'all see all these typos, but fuck it. Then here's the juicy part, baby. As you can see, this says royalties. Now, you can collect as many royalties as you want. I say start small because your fans are still getting to know you. You don't want to hit them over the head with prices at this point. Ethereum has raised its price, is back at 3,000 right now, so just be mindful. So you can put as many royalties as you want. You can do 10%, 20%. Oh Lord. 20%, 30%, shit, 5%, 2%, right? So I'm just going to give myself 2%, and then I'm going to choose create item. And this is where you're going to pay your gas fees, which gas fees comes from Ethereum. Okay. So this is where you're going to pay your gas fees, and this is where the minting is going to take place. And once you create that item, it's going to show under my items, under, excuse me, let me sign in with my wallet. It's loading, you guys. This is where you're going to find your creations. Under created, right? So this is everything that I've created under this wallet domain, under this wallet address. I mean, excuse me, not domain. Under this wallet domain, my MetaMask, this is what I own as far as NFTs, collectibles, digital assets, digital art, whatever you want to call it, right? This is where you'll find what you just created. It'll pop up here with whatever address that you're usually signed in with over here. Okay. Okay. So you'll do the same thing, just like I did on Rarible, except on OpenSea, I didn't see them have where you can actually change the amount of royalties that you would like to collect. So I'm not really sure about that. But the creation part is exactly the same. Exactly the same. Okay. So you will have to connect to your wallet, and I encourage everyone to get, let me check on this video. Okay, it's still recording. And I encourage everyone to get a MetaMask, please, because MetaMask does have an Ethereum mainnet inside of it, and also get a Trust wallet. Because those are the two main wallets that these marketplaces will have accessible. So this is the same thing. Drop and drag, name, title, description, collection, blockchain, unlockable content, which is here. If you have explicit content for underage purposes, this is here, right? Booty shaking video, whatever you want to call it. So on OpenSea it's the same, except you I don't think they have editing royalties feature. Okay. Now, how do you create these NFTs off of your phone? So all you want to do is go to either your Google App Store or your iPhone App Store. And I like to use Vouchy Video Editor because I make still photography and I make it into a video. I make it into a video NFT. That's like my signature. Everybody's going to have their own signature. Everybody's going to have their own style as to what they like and as to what their identity is going to be on the blockchain. Okay. So this is a really cool app. It has a lot of aesthetics, add motion features, animation features, powered effects, all the good stuff. Okay. So this is for iPhones and Androids. Another one that I really love is PixArt. So make sure you're downloading these, you guys. You can create here, batch editor. Let's see what they have. Let's start editing. You're going to make your an account. You're going to sign up. And you're going to do all that good stuff, okay? They have video trimming, slideshow maker, add audio, resize video, photo and video editing, GIF and video, paint and drawing and sketching, text editor. Okay, they have a lot of different things, right? Also, if you like to do 3D artwork, please download Vectory on your computer or on your laptop, because this is the easiest online 3D design and 3D modeling. So if you wanted to transfer your regular picture of your shoes and you wanted to make it into a 3D shoe, this is where you're going to make it into, okay? So create, render, and collaborate. So make sure you download that on the computer. I don't think it's accessible as an app on your phone. And also I like the app XCFX.Pro. This is a pretty cool app as well. But all you have to do literally is go on your app stores, and you need to just go and start Okay, give me a second. All you need to do is just go in your app stores and start seeing what apps works for you. Just go on there. They have 1,000 daggone apps, photo editing apps. Yes, some of them you're gonna have to pay a monthly subscription for, but you can do like the free trial and cancel it after you make your NFT. Like, come on, we know how to finesse the game, right? So let's do photo editing editor, right? So they have many different things. Oh yes, Canvas too. Canvas is a really good, really good editing app as well. Background eraser. Let me show you guys that app on my. I like this app to utilize my background. So this one is called Remove BG. You can download this on an iPhone and you can download this on an Android as well. So all you have to do is, let me go back first. Hold on. Hopefully let me go back, child. Uh-oh. Remove background. Okay. So I'm gonna upload an image, and I want to just remove the background of this image. And then it's going to upload, and then it's just going to show you the still image and the removal of the background. So then you can just download that onto your computer. Boom. You can go here, upload it on PixArt, and do what you want to do, baby. I think I've went over everything as far as how to create, what an NFT is, where can you sell them, and also you have to think outside the box, you guys. You can just go on here and resell other people's items as well. Like, you see how this person is selling theirs for 0.55 ETH. Um, oh, I think it logged out. Okay, let's go here. You can just, if you see some artwork that you like, it's just like going to the museum. Just freaking buy it and resell it. Hold it for some time. Let Ethereum go up in value and just sell it. You know what I'm saying? They might be selling it for half of the Ethereum. You can sell it for the whole Ethereum. It's really about your mindset. It's really about your intellectual property. It's really about your creativeness. So when you asking somebody, oh, well, how did you make that NFT? Because they use their intellectual property and their creativity, and they were able to place it on the marketplace. You may not have the same intellectual property or creativity, so your best bet might to be just to buy their artwork off of them and just resell it on each and every marketplace. Resell it on OpenSea.com, resell it on Rarible, resell it on Maker's Place, resell it on Foundation. You know what I mean? That's how you make passive income with utilizing buying and reselling. Buying and reselling. I think it's not loading because I got so many freaking things up here, y'all. But you see, stuff like this, resell it, buy it. Resell it, buy it. Stay within your budget though. Resell it, buy it. You feel me? All of this stuff, just resell and buy. I hope you guys got something out of this meeting. I appreciate you guys for sticking with me in a private Discord. And the next go-to meeting, um, I believe that needs to be about the utilization of domain names, and how to buy and resell those as well, and how to create these people in the metaverse. So peace and love, family. I'm out.